Hello everyone, welcome to Tapras. I'm Yena. Our factory occupies 300,000 square feet, have 9 workshops and 1 laboratories. Now, today I want to show you our SMT boardrooms. Before go there, we must wear the anti-static hat, clothes, and the gloves, and change the shoes, and pass the air shoulder. Okay, let's go. And this machine will take our 8 seconds to clean up our body. When the machine starts, we need to turn 360 degrees for the anti-static. Okay, here is our SMT boardrooms. SMT is a bridge to across electric requirement. Okay, this is our SMT boardrooms. Now we use the key to enter. SMT is a bridge to cross for electric requirements today. It is essential for manufacturing renewable assembly to domestic compatibilities between material and process. To have a skilled operator to continue the training and operate tracking records for traceability. You can see we have 3 automotive board lights. Now we want to introduce you about this board light. You can see these machines for the board loading. It is for use PCB to transfer to the screen printer using conveyor. Its material is very solid and stable sheet. And then the PCB is brought to this printer. This machine deposits solder parts into the pads on the skill board. You can see the mixture of solder parts and the flux deposits onto the pad of circuit board on control volume. After, the flow provides electrical, mechanical, and thermal connection between the components and the board. Okay, you can see this computer will show the its position standard. This is the computer to show you about the input speed and the output speed and the print speed here. So the PCB will flow to the SPI machines. SPI machine is for SMT assembly that inspects solder parts print quality, volume, height, air, and misalignment, and the solder passing inspection can be done both in 3D and 2D. You can see the computer here. They will test its positions, and then when it tests the good, the PCB will flow to the both machines for the SMT. SMT machine, this is for install electronic components. Both transfer unit contain the run-in sections where boards from the previous machines are received, and a run-out sections where boards are transferred to the next machine. In between the run-in and run-out sections is working area of the machine, where the components are placed on the board. An automatic transfer unit adjusts to the correct wire and thickness of the board, and all boards in the working area are clamped on the side. Boards in the working area can be supported using pins and strips with manual interface. And the board machines, this machine for the small electric components such like the LED. And these machines, they will install the bigger one, just like the resistance. Yes, at the end of the machines, we have workers here to check it again. Okay, when you test it, okay, the PCB will go to the reflow soldering machines. You can see they have a different temperature areas. They will have a setting value and the actual value. and the upper and the down temperature about here. And you can see the PCB situation still here. The reflow soldering have 4 different temperature rooms, such include the preheating rooms, the salt rooms, reflow rooms, and the cooling. Some customers want to know the soldering. The soldering is a process of drawing material surface through the messy heating of the solder pattern, and then create a mechanical and electrical connection between the component and PCB. And then solder alloy metal is made to form the connection. Recure the solder attached to the base metal by forming intercatalyst compound through the process of the wet. Okay, you can see the operation instruction about the temperature and the test. And then the PCB after reflow solder passing. Here have machines for correct the PCB. Of course, the chip have anti-static function per test. And then the PCB board will go to the AOI machines here. AOI inspection machines with 4 direction optical inspections. Components that here after reflow soldering. This is very important when automatic detection. The machine automatically scans the PCB through the camera, correct the image, the test solder draw in compare with quality parameter in the database. After image processing, the defect on the PCB is checked, and the defect is displayed, marked through the display, and automatic sites come out for repair by the maintenance personnel. And after the AO machine, the PCB will go to the bump machine for separate. The board separation is for separate the board by mechanic, thereby reduce the parts and defective products generated by manual board separation, thereby improving work efficiency and product quality, and reduce the incidence of defective products. Okay, and then the PCB, the semi-finished products will put in the package, and then they will go there. You can see our worker test the PCB appearance based on the instruction. They will test the power currents. Okay, camera, come here. You can see our computer. They will test the current, power, and the voltage, and we'll have a record in computer. Okay, here the SAM's operations. And then when you found the defective products, they will put here, and the cooperative ones will put the blue box, and the defective is put the red box. You can see the PCB slide here. They have a question about this, and then this PCB board will reward by our workers, and will test on the AOI machine. Okay, the quality materials will put here together and will go to our electronic warehouse. And I will show you about our other machines. You can see we have 2 workers here. They reward the PCBs. They reward PCB here, and add more solder passing. okay about the repair the PCB, they will go to our AOI machines to take it again. And then we want to show you about other machine for the layer. You can see these machines because the important thing about the PCB. You can see we layer the serial numbers here. Then for the check the material bus. This is very important. Okay, this is our SMT war rooms. So next time we will show you the other war rooms. Okay, see you. Bye bye.